Welcome students to Standard 9th Geometry Chapter 9 Surface Area and Volume Part 4. The objectives of this module is sphere and hemisphere, surface area of sphere and hemisphere, volume of sphere and hemisphere. Now students, we have seen sphere in our daily life such as earth, moon, football, lemon and sweet life. Here the total surface area and curved surface area of sphere both are same, and that is equal to 4 pi r square. Now what is an hemisphere? Students, when we cut an lemon into two parts, we get two hemisphere. So here the hemisphere is having a cap area and a base area. So the cap area of hemisphere is the curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square. So we have two surfaces of a hemisphere. The curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and the area which is circular in shape, that is pi r square, area of the circle, that will be added to find the total surface area. Therefore, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus area of the circular base. Therefore, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square plus 1 pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Now we will be learning about volume of sphere. So how will you calculate the capacity of a sphere? See, when we put the amount of the cone with same radius and height inside the sphere, we find that 4 times the volume of cone is filled in the sphere with same radius. Therefore, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now, volume of hemisphere will be found out by dividing the volume of sphere by 2. So, volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So, we have found out that area of the sphere, area of the hemisphere, volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. Now we will be doing questions from practice set 9.3. Question number 1. Find the surface area and volumes of spheres of the following radii. The value of pi is given as 3.14. First question with radius 4 cm. Now we will find the surface area of the sphere of radius 4 cm. Now formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. We will substitute the values of pi as 3.14 and radius 4 cm. Therefore, surface area will be equal to 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 4 into 4. Therefore, our answer will be 200.96 square centimeter. Now, volume of the sphere with radius 4 cm. Volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value of pi and r, we are getting 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Therefore, the volume of sphere is equal to 267.95 cubic centimeter. Now, we are writing the answers together. Surface area of sphere is equal to 200.96 square centimeter and volume of the sphere is equal to 267.95 cubic centimeter. Second question is with radius 9 centimeter. To find surface area and volume. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Therefore, substituting the value of pi as 3.14 and radius as 9, we get surface area is equal to 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Therefore, surface area is equal to 1017.36 square centimeter. Now, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the value of pi as 3.14 and r as 9, we get volume is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 multiplied by 3.14 into 9 into 9 into 3. So, we get volume is equal to 3052.08 cubic centimeter. Now, the next question, we have to find the surface area and volume with radius 3.5 centimeter. The value of pi is 3.14. Therefore, solution students, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Substituting the value of pi and r, we get surface area is equal to 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. So therefore, surface area is given as 153.86 square centimeter. Now we will be finding volume of sphere. Formula of volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the values, we get volume is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Therefore, volume is equal to 179.50 cubic centimeter. Students, please note that the unit for surface area is square centimeter and unit for volume is cubic centimeter. Now we will be doing question number 2. The question is, if the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. The value of pi is equal to 3.14. Solution, curved surface area of hemisphere. Now here an hemisphere is having curved surface area also and total surface area also. Therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Substituting the values, curved surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, where 5 is the radius. Therefore, curved surface area is 157 square centimeter. Now, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Substituting the values of pi and r, we get total surface area as 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Therefore, total surface area is 235.5 square centimeter. Now, Curved surface area of hemisphere is 157 square centimeter and total surface area of hemisphere is 235.5 square centimeter. Question number 3. If the surface area of sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. The value of pi is 3.14. Given a sphere, surface area of the sphere is 2826 centimeters square. We have to find the volume of sphere. Now, students, the total surface and curved surface area of sphere both are same. Therefore, it is 4 pi r square. That is given as 2826. Therefore, 4 pi r square is equal to 2826 centimeters square. Substituting the value of pi, we get 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r square is equal to 2826. Therefore, r square is equal to, bringing 4 and 3.14 to the other side, it becomes division. So, 2826 divided by 4 divided by 3.14. When we solve it, we get r square is equal to 225. Taking square root both sides, we get r is equal to 15 centimeter. Now so volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the values, we get 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 into 15. So volume is equal to 14,130 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. Find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter. Value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. So here given is a sphere. Volume of sphere is also given as 38,808 cubic centimeter. We have to find the surface area of sphere. Now, when we start the solution, we will be writing the formula as volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and that is given as 38,808. Now, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 38,808. Taking 4 by 3 and 22 by 7 to the right side, we get r cube is equal to 38,808 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 upon 22 into 4. Therefore, after calculating, we get r cube is equal to 441 multiplied by 21. Now, r is equal to 21, taking cube root on both sides. Now, we will be finding surface area of sphere, that is equal to 4 pi r square. So, substituting the values of pi and radius, we get surface area is equal to 4 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 21 into 21. So, that is equal to, cancelling 7 and 21, we get 4 into 22 into 21 into 3. The answer we get is 5,544 square centimeter. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to 5,544 square centimeter. Question number 5. Volume of a hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Find its diameter. So given is hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. We have to find the diameter of hemisphere. Solution. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 18,000 pi. Cancelling pi both sides and taking 2 by 3 to the right side, we get r cube is equal to 18,000 multiplied by 3 by 2. Therefore, r cube is equal to 27,000. Now, we will separate this 27,000 as 27 multiplied by 1000 and taking cube root both sides, we get r is equal to 3 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore, to find the diameter, which is twice the radius, we get diameter is equal to 2 into 30 and that is equal to 60 centimeter. Now we will be doing problem set 9, question number 4. Find the radius of a sphere if its volume is 904.32 cubic centimeter. Value of pi is equal to 3.14. Given is a sphere and pi is equal to 3.14. Volume of sphere is equal to 904.32 cubic centimeter. To find the radius of the sphere. Solution. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and that is equal to 904.32. So substituting the value of pi, 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.14 into r cube is equal to 904.32. Taking 4 by 3 and 3.14 to the right side, we get r cube is equal to 904.32 multiplied by 3 upon 4 into 3.14. Now, cancelling the decimal point, here we have after decimal 2 numbers. Here also we have after decimal 2 numbers. Cancelling each, we get r cube is equal to 90432 multiplied by 3 upon 4 into 314. So, r cube is equal to 72 into 3. We can factorize 72 into 3 as 9 into 3 into 8. R cube is equal to 9 into 3 into 8. Taking cube root both sides, we get cube root of 27 as 3 and cube root of 8 as 2. Therefore, R is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Radius of sphere is equal to 6 centimeter. Question number 6. Find the volume of a sphere if its surface area is 154 square centimeter. Given sphere, surface area of the sphere is 154 square centimeter. We have to find the volume of a sphere. Solution. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 154. Substituting the value of pi, we get 4 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r square is equal to 154. Therefore, r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. We get r square is equal to 7 into 7 upon 4. Taking square root both sides, we get r is equal to 7 upon 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Therefore, V is equal to 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10 multiplied by 3 into 7. Now, after calculating, we get 5,39,000 upon 3 into 1000. Now, calculation can be done removing the 1000 zeros. We get volume of the sphere is equal to 179.67 cubic centimeter. So let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in this module. We have learned that curved surface area and total surface area of a sphere both are same, which is equal to 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you.